The Logitech MX Master, a 6-year-old wireless mouse which I believe is still worth purchasing. What's up guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. So I've been using my HP Omen laptop when it comes to video editing for YouTube or general work and browsing. The trackpad on the laptop isn't too bad, but over time I knew I had to purchase a new wireless mouse. Like everyone, the first thing I did was Google best wireless mouse online and noticed that the Logitech MX Master would show up on every page I selected. As I'm sure some of you may know, since 2015, Logitech have released the MX Master 2 and MX Master 3, which carry the same design structure, but with additional functionality. So when it came to crunch time and making a decision, I decided to go for the MX Master 1, as all three had the same thumb rest design I was looking for, but mainly because I wanted to see if the older generation was still worth purchasing 6 years later. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, testing, and reviewing the MX Master, and see if the old school is just as good as the newbies on the block. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then therefore consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right, so first things first guys, let's check out the packaging and unboxing. On front, you have the Logitech logo, as well as an image and name of the device. On the side, you have some product features, and finally, towards the back, you have some company information. Once opened, the first item you will see is the Logitech MX mouse, followed by a micro USB cable for charging purposes, and a user manual on the MX Master. Now, in regards to the product breakdown, this has to be one of the nicest and sleekest designs I have ever seen on a mouse, and I haven't even touched on comfort yet. Starting from the top, you have the left click and right click buttons, as you do with any mouse. However, one cool feature I noticed straight away was that once you spun the scroller wheel really fast, it kept spinning continuously, which I thought was quite cool. This would make reaching the end of your page or document a lot faster than a standard scroller. In addition, you also have a button on top, which basically cancels out the mechanical noise made when using the scroller. On the side, you have a horizontal scroller, which is perfect for applications like Premiere Pro when viewing your video timeline, as well as a forward and back button. Now, another button which I didn't notice at first was this one located here on the thumb rest. By default, this button will bring up your window panel. However, this can easily be changed via Logitech MX Master software, which we'll be discussing later on. You also have 3 LED lights which indicate the charge level remaining, which is said can last up to 40 days. On front, you have a micro USB port to charge the mouse. And finally, towards the bottom, you have the main power switch, as well as a button which allows you to connect the MX Master mouse to 3 separate devices thanks to its onboard built-in memory. Now that we've gone through the unboxing and product breakdown, let's go straight into the setup process. Now, when it comes to connecting your Logitech MX Master mouse, you can do this by either connecting via Bluetooth or by using the wireless receiver provided inside. When connecting via receiver or Bluetooth, I did notice that the mouse connected straight away without even installing the Logitech MX Master software, which I guess is pretty good, especially if you're using a laptop that needs additional security permissions to install software. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the setup process. Super quick and super easy. So when it comes to usage and comfort, I gotta say, the MX Master in my opinion is fantastic to use. I never really considered the importance of ergonomics and hand posture when using a mouse. However, after using the MX Master, I am definitely seeing the benefits for sure. My thumb position feels super relaxed and my palm feels locked in place. Accessing buttons on the mouse is also super easy, and since using the MX Master, I can confirm that my laptop mousepad is no longer in use. The Logitech Options software is pretty easy to navigate through. Once downloaded, you are presented with the Mouse tab page, which allows you to configure your buttons and configurations. Finally, you also have the Point and Scroll tab, which allows you to adjust settings such as sensitivity. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. To finalize guys, is the Logitech MX Master 1 still worth purchasing today? The answer is 100% yes. Even though this device is 6 years old and has 2 new models released since its introduction to the market, the MX Master 1 still does an amazing job in providing comfort and ease when using the device. The thumb rest is a fantastic feature, and the ergonomic design really does provide a better experience when using your mouse. Yes, it's definitely on the premium side, which may put some people off, and the lack of USB-C charging is also a downer. However, overall, during my time using this device, the Logitech MX Master is a product you should definitely purchase and look into. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Logitech MX Master from Amazon for around £62, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What are your thoughts on today's product? And is the Logitech MX Master a device that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.